stuff. Stopped a definite boundary with his fielding effort. Good effort from the fielding unit. He gets in a sharp throw to save some extra runs. And that's 4. Using his... It's edged and runs away for the boundary ropes for 4 runs. For a solid defence this time. Batsman's error, fielder's joy. He's gone. And there goes the wicket. A new batsman walking in. Hope he can save his team's hopes. A good effort from the fielding unit. They need to keep this momentum going forward. The fielders are on guard, protecting the infield closely. The batsman presses forward in defence. He never saw that catch coming. The striker shuffles back to the pavilion. Great stuff from the bowler. That's another wicket gone. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. The bowler tries for something new here. A change of sides signalled by the umpire. A deadly kiss goodbye to the bowler's last ball. Farewell by 4. As the spinner steps in, it's a non-stop offside assault. Sensational stuff. Stopped a definite boundary with his fielding effort. The bowler is ready to bowl around the wickets. This will be interesting. Sensational effort in the field there. He makes a perfect throw to return the ball close to the stumps. Is all over it. No freebies today. He's blocked it straight down into the pitch. A good block to a challenging delivery. The offside attack continues as the spinner takes up the ball. He goes for a solid defence this time. Got him with an easy catch in the end. He is the new man in. He should stick to the team plan and anchor the innings. He's making the batsman work for his money. A spirited defence. A change of sides requested by the bowler. He's onto something special. A sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. The batsman presses forward in defence. He's played right into the fielder's hands. He just has to stick to the basics and play his natural game here. The bowler is ready to bowl around the wickets. This will be interesting. offside assault. The fielders are pulling out all the stops by making all the stops. That was some sensational stuff to watch from the fielder. Good variation there, forcing the batsman to defend once again. They get nada. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. Change of sides requested by the bowler. He's onto something special here. As the spinner steps in, it's a non-stop offside assault. Sailed right into waiting hands. It's a sad walk back for the batsman. That's some great bowling. The batsman is out for none. The batsman presses forward in defence. It's an all-out attack from the bowling. Another batsman bites the dust. A premature end to a promising start. Caught out. Well fielded, and the batsman couldn't get away with it. Got it in hand and chucks it right back. He's going over the wicket for a shift in tempo. Unbelievable stuff from the fielder. The crowd's gone berserk. Spinner steps in. It's a non-stop offside assault. He's going around the wicket this time. Maybe this will. The batsman presses forward in defence. He's kicking himself for that shot. Easy catch by the fielder. He has to anchor the innings and look to stay on till the end to put up a good total. Steps out his front foot and defends that beautifully. Well bowled, nothing conceded. Good effort from the fielding unit. He gets in a sharp throw to save some extra runs. He's going over the wicket for a shift in tempo. He watches the ball so closely and attacks it straight down the ground. The pressure seems to be building here for the batting team. That was spotted so quickly by the fielder. What a great effort in the field. Keeping things interesting. It's around the wicket this time. A deadly kiss goodbye to the bowler's last ball. Farewell by 4. As the spinner steps in, it's a non-stop offside assault. Well bowled. He's forced him to play that block. Blinding speed and a quick throw. Now that's a solid defence. The bowler tries for something new here. A change of sides. They're making the batsmen fight for every run. Good show by the fielders. Excellent delivery from the bowler, but defended beautifully in the end by the batsman. That's a well-judged catch by the fielder. A fiery start by the bowling side. He's got it in hand and chucks it right back. The bowler wants to disrupt the batsman's rhythm. He's going for a side. from the fielder. Wickets tumbling at the other end. Hope he can survive the initial few deliveries. Tough opposition for the batting side in this outfield. He's decided to bowl over the wickets this time to try something different. A daredevil dive that pays dividends. Boundary denied. No run again. Clever bowling by the bowler. The batsman. And it's gone for a 4. Keeping things interesting. It's around the wicket this time. He's got a great arm and knows how to use it. What a throw! What agility! He stopped that brilliantly. As the spinner steps in, it's a non-stop offside assault. The bowler is confident that the batsman is gone. The bowler seems frustrated with the decision. Signal from the fielding captain to review this one. Looks like it's up to the third umpire for the decision. The umpire is checking the hot spot from left. That's bat before pad, and the striker is relieved. He's safe. That's given out by the umpire. The batsman's going to ask to review that decision. Hard-fought victory with a well-rounded team effort. They paced the innings beautifully.